Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn off and on media players for Apple Music on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then go to these three lines up here, then go to the settings. Now as you see here you will find content and media, click on it. Now here you will find external media. So as you see here you will find Apple Music, so click on it. So that's how to enable it. If you want to enable it, just click like this, and if you want to disable it, just like this. So that's how to enable or disable Apple Music or media players for Apple Music, easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.